What up YouTube, I'm here, thank you for clicking the video, and welcome to another reaction to Chuu's Only Cry in the Rain music video teaser 2. Another short teaser trailer thing, this time 18 seconds, so obviously this is gonna go by really fast, so let's get right into it. Right, video pulled up, let's go. Speedy cam, oh. Nice. This Chuu hanging out, nice. Crazy contrast in comparison to the last one with just her just like straight up crying. So let's give this another watch. Her just spinning, being Chuu being Chuu, nice vending machines. Pocari sweat Chuu. Holding hands, drawn in the sand. Sick. So obviously, again, there's not really much to pull from this. Like obviously, we have Chuu just being the Chuu we know, and this Pocari sweat, nice, the model. But yeah, Only Cry in the Rain only releases in like what, 3 days? 2 days. 2 days until Only Cry in the Rain comes out. So get your pre-orders in now at your favorite K-pop album distributor of your choice. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.